raider garrison. This should be where the warrior's friend is being held. Yotei, for sparring.
Hands off! I see the Oni raiders sent another dog to collect my head. A starving dog, by the look of you.
You're quick to judge.
And you're slow to leave. Skilled for a raider lapdog.
I would never work for them.
You're outclassed. I'll drive the Oni and his raiders from this land!
The Oni's mine!
If you're hunting the Oni, why are you here?
Now you want to talk?
Most visitors I get are after my head. I was the first to organize a resistance against the Oni and his men. They've been hunting me ever since.
You're lucky you weren't burned alive.
They put the torch to plenty others. I won't rest until the raiders are dead and buried.
Give me a Yotei and I'll take care of the first part.
With those untrained hands, you'd only trip yourself.
I always manage to figure it out.
That would explain your fighting style.
Let me guess. Skilled, but sloppy.
I can teach you the way of the Yotei, but you must use it to help Ishikari Plain.
When do we start?
At dawn. Hope you're an early riser. You talk in your sleep.
And you snore.
Pick up that yari. Weak grip. Tense shoulders. We'll start with the basics. I see you're self-taught.
Didn't have a choice. Most people weren't willing to teach me.
Because you're a woman, or because you refused their help?
Both. I learned to fight in the south. Picking pockets, watching samurai, signing up for the peasant infantry. Whatever helped me survive.
We learn quickest when our bellies are empty, and our backs are up against the wall. My own sensei looked to nature for inspiration. He said training someone to fight is like teaching someone how to fish.
I've been spearfishing before.
You won't be spearing fish in the water. You'll be spearing them out of the air. Master speed, precision, and timing. Strike true, because I'm hungry. And I want fish for breakfast. Begin! Your accuracy needs work. Try again. Hone that frustration. Keep trying. You can do better.
Got one.
Finally, it's time for breakfast. Delicious.
Where's mine?
You only speared one fish.
I wasn't given much instruction, Sensei.
The problem is your wrists. You're moving them wrong.
My wrists?
Come with me. I'll show you.
You want me to paint?
No. I want you to learn. Mind how you turn your wrist. Be firm, but flexible. Your movement should be smooth. Allow the brush to flow like a river. Do not grip the brush like a dagger. Let it become an extension of your hand. Now, do you understand?
My wrists. When I thrust the yari, it should flow like a painter's brushstroke.
Let's see you try it. Try to spear enough for both of us, so we can have lunch together. Show these fish what you've learned. Keep trying. Got one! Good work. If you can spear a fish, you'll have no problem against larger, slower targets.
Good. I don't make a habit out of fighting fish.
She has a sense of humor.
She's also hungry. I didn't get any breakfast.
Of course. Let's eat. You know, you're the first person I've trained in many seasons.
What made you stop?
When the raiders came, I was the first to stand up against them. My students were the ones who suffered. Some were captured, but most met the Oni's fire. I can still hear them begging for a quick death.
That must have been terrible, being unable to save them.
It fuels me. Just as it fuels you.
You don't know that.
But I do. Remember, you talk in your sleep. But enough lingering on the past. The light's fading, and your lessons are far from over.
What's next? Spearing birds from the sky?
Not quite. The Yari is a weapon, but so is your body. You can use the shaft of the Yari to propel yourself forward and deliver a powerful kick. You need more strength. Use your wrists to control the angle of your kick. Better, but still not enough. Push off with your wrists to propel your kick. Good. You're learning quickly. Kick your enemy to push them back, and get some breathing room in a fight.
Or send them off a cliff?
I'd like to see that. Keep practicing. We'll continue until sunset. That's enough training for today. There's just one thing left to do.
Dinner?
Precisely.
This time you cook the fish.
Careful what you ask for. Wait. Raiders. It's time you put today's lessons to use. Yari shines brightest against enemies armed with kusarigama or twin kama.
And if they're armed with katana?
Match their sword with your own katana. Show me which weapon you should use against swordsmen. Good. And which weapon is best when facing kusarigama or twin kama? Never forget. Using the right weapon can mean the difference between victory and defeat. Now, show those raiders what you've learned. You can handle them. Consider this our final lesson for the day.
What's that? Shikari blade belongs to the Oni! You're a fool to resist us!
Prepare your katana! Excellent!
You will not die for this!
Some with kama! Prepare the yari for them! Good! You listen well! Excellent! Yes, my student! Well done! Come, I have something for you.
You were right. They were easier than the fish.
After that display, you deserve something better than that old sparring twig. I once gifted this yari to my greatest student before the Oni put a torch to him. I'd like you to have it.
I'll make sure it spills raider blood again. Thank you.
I've spent too long hunting the raiders alone. I need to rebuild my dojo and train new blood.
You mentioned some of your old students were captured. I could rescue them.
A fine way to continue your training. They're being forced to work at the Oni Raiders' lumberyard. Free them and tell them to come here with whatever wood they can carry. We will also need a weaponsmith. I know of one named Kotetsu. He lives at the bold Kaji Forge and has no love for the Oni Raiders. He can forge spearheads for Yari. We'll need plenty. I'll start repairing my dojo in the White Deer Woodlands. Meet me there when you finish these tasks, and we'll continue your training.
I'm looking forward to it. Sensei...
Takahashi.
Sensei Takahashi. You can call me Atsu.
Good luck, Atsu.
Come!
Hunna he, Kakema. Have something to barter?
If the raiders take...
You want bows? Look no further.
Want some easy coin? Trim some lifespans. I hope you're here looking for trouble, friend. Ishikari is ablaze with it.
As long as I'm getting paid.
You best get those bounties before the Oni Raiders burn them alive, then.
I am never going near Otaru Hills.
You want bows? Look no further.
Only a matter of time before my luck.
Find me, boy!
He'll burn for it!
Let her go!
He wants you dead. His word is law. Stay back, Onryo!
Jiro! No!
He's gone. We have to go.
I can't! My brother was all I had!
You'll burn with him.
He was my only family. I'd rather die than be without him.
I understand.
Go! This is my choice.
Prepare to die! Lord Saito will pay you well.
Hey! I warned you!
What was that? Die, dog! Do not kill me!
just want to talk.
Fine. Take my hand. You really did a number on those demons. I owe you.
Why are the raiders after you?
They want me to make them scorch bombs.
As if setting this entire valley on fire wasn't enough.
And yet you're running around, all your limbs still attached. Good on you.
Thank you?
No time for pleasantries. More raiders are coming. Grab those scorch bombs and practice if you want to leave. This place is out of the way. Perfect for testing things that blow up. Let's see if your aim is any good. have to do. I can hear raiders crawling up the ravine. I've made enough scorch bombs to blow up a mountain. Blast the bastards! Try not to lose your fingers. Cover this exit! I'll take the other side. They're past the bridge. Watch out! We did it! You have a gift for destruction.
You're one to talk.
I used to make things of beauty and wonder. Not that it matters now. There is work to do. Oni raiders are mining niter across the valley, and I'm going to take it.
To make more bombs?
To make the bomb. One that will keep the raiders off my back. Permanently.
If it means bombs for me and less raiders, I'm in.
I knew I liked you for a reason. The name is Ina.
Atsu.
I spotted raiders carrying niter by Bear Rock. Use my bombs to make some noise over there. I'll know you want to meet. In the meantime, you can come to me for any of your more explosive needs. Here for something explosive? Take a look. Happy hunting. Hope you do some damage.
This is where Ina wanted to meet. I'll signal her. Now to wait nearby.
Ready to rob some Oni raiders? The stash is somewhere up on Bear Rock.
Lead the way.
The raiders will regret ever looking my way when I'm done with this bomb.
Yet you say you weren't trained as a bomb maker.
I am a Hanabi master, like the rest of my family.
Fireworks?
You seen them?
Only once, in the south. It was like a flower bursting with flames.
I saw the raiders around here. Follow me.
How did you go from making fireworks to bombs?
It wasn't pretty. Wait. See that cave up ahead?
Probably where they hid the stash. What's in here?
Bear!
Stay back!
Bears and Bear Rock. Guess we should have known. Damn it. There's barely any niter here. They must have taken it to the castle.
You said they bring in carts of this stuff. If we find the road they use...
We could catch the next shipment. Oh, hold on. There's something else in here.
Looks like some kind of bomb.
Ugh, horribly made. No wonder they want mine so badly.
I'll take them. Might as well put them to good use.
Suit yourself. Those bombs are made to blind your target. Once they go off, you'll have to attack before they regain their senses.
They'll never see us coming.
Like ghosts in the night. Raiders.
All that noise must be bears again.
We wait for the shipment. Let the new recruits deal with them. I'll check that out.
Swords? More for me to go.
Safe to come out. Sounds like they were waiting for a shipment.
Let me take a look. Atsu, over here.
A cart full of niter.
Ready for the taking.
Let's move.
This way. Keep an eye out for raiders. Keep going. We have to get that niter.
What's there? Get ready to die! No, please! Hey! You're mine!
That is a lot of niter. What kind of bomb are you making?
A special brew, just for the Oni raiders. These demons burned my family's workshop. All the fireworks went off and I survived. Used what I know to make bombs to defend myself. Suddenly, I was useful to the raiders.
You want revenge.
I want to be left alone. To grieve. Anyway, don't worry about me. I can get this back to the workshop myself.
Ina, be careful.
Always. Oh, and do me a favor. Bring me those new bombs you found. No friend of mine should be using bombs of such inferior make. Atsu, need to restock those bombs? Anything catch your eye? Here you go. Hit them where it hurts.
Another gift. I'll take good care of this.